today I'm going to talk about the Republic Snail Solution Emulsion. So this right here is a sample. This is 31 milliliters, but they also have the main one. The normal one, I believe, is 120 grams, I believe. And for your skincare routine, it is amazing. Republic has a lot of different awesome products. They're Korean, and this one is made with 80% high quality Snail Mucin. I hope I'm saying that word right. Containing hyaluronic acid, glycoprotein enzymes, and proteoglycans, and antimicrobial and copper peptides. I don't know what much of that means, but I do know that this stuff is fantastic. It reduces my redness. I sometimes have very sensitive skin, and even with just friction, my skin can get kind of red. So this definitely does the trick of just making it, smoothing out my skin, helping with that irritation. And apparently this promotes skin cell regeneration. It stimulates the skin's production of collagen and elastin. So that's what they claim here. And the visibility, it reduces the visibility of wrinkles and fine lines. And all I can say is that it makes my skin feel so much softer. The snail part was a little strange to me, but I really wanted to try it even more when it said that. And it just smells so good. It smells so refreshing, and it definitely carries on to your skin once you put it on there, and the smell lasts surprisingly for such a long period of time. I do plan on upgrading to a bigger bottle in like a week when this is done, but I bought this one 3 weeks ago. I don't use it every evening. It's a translucent color, the substance, and it's kind of oily, but it's very light. It's not like weighing down kind of feel. It just feels like it blends right into your skin, and so you just spread it on your skin, massage it in, and it works just really nice at making your skin feel so soft and nourished and hydrated. And it comes in this green container with this white top. The container, I believe, is recyclable, so that's nice. I actually got this from my friend. She was giving it to me as a gift, and I was very grateful to her. So that's how I heard about this. This is made in Korea, but then again, it's a Korean brand. And I don't use it every day, but I should. I'm just really forgetful, to be honest. It does not tint my skin or make it paler or anything like that, which is often a fear when it comes to skincare products. And you don't even have to rinse it off when you massage it into your skin. It's not a mask, it's just like a lotion. I don't carry it around with me. So I don't carry it in my purse or in my carry-on. It's just not essential to me enough. But you could if you wanted to. It's a great gift idea for someone who likes these types of skincare products, and it's a cool twist. And it's really easy to use, very straightforward. Thank you so much for watching this video.